Hello, my name is June. The bird and the glass. This is a bird. Look at the bird's beak. Is it long or short? Look at the bird's legs. Are they long or short? Is this bird a stork? No, it is not a stork. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak? Look at the bird. It is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the clouds? Are they white? Can you see the clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. The bird is very hot and tired. It is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see trees and houses. Is that a river? No, it is not a river. It is a road. There is no water. The bird is very hot and tired. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the ships. There are water in the sea, but bird cannot drink it. It is salt in the water. The bird is very tired and very hot. What can see the bird now? It can see a house. It is table near the house. The bird is going down. Now we can see the house. There is a door and a window. Near window is a table. There is glass on the table. There is some water at the bottom of the glass, near one leg of the table. There is a bowl. It is dog's bowl. There is no water in the bowl. Thank you.